Today we're looking at the TENKER 850 watts multifunctional blender. As always, if you want to pick this up, link in the description box below. If you find the video useful, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. There's a little guide here. The large cups are 17 ounces. It's letting us know don't go over 13.5 ounces or 400 milliliters. User manual. I'll just quickly flick through that. A double-sided toothbrush. My little boy just come in and he said, "Daddy, is that a double-sided toothbrush?" So that's a cleaning brush. It's nice that they've included that in. 2 lids with spouts if you want to take your drinks on the go. A solid lid. A shaker top with holes. So the 2 blade, that's for grinder. So if you want to grind your coffee or your spices, that's what it looks like from there. Now this has 6 blades. This is for your smoothies or your shakes. 2 cups, and it's got max line on each. The small cup for your grinding. I don't know how long it is, but it's a decent size cord this. At the bottom here we have 4 suction cups, air outlet. We have another air outlet at the back here for keeping it cool. A sticker there, multifunctional blender, 850 watts. An information sticker there. At the front, some branding, power on off button, and these 2 will light up. Of course, you'll see that when I show you the blender in action. That's what it looks like from the top if you are interested. I'll go and wash everything and then we'll do a demonstration. We're going to grind some almonds first. I forgot to mention you could wash the cups and the lids in a dishwasher, and the blades you hand wash them. 2 blades, that's the one for grinding. So as you can see, the green light is on, so that's ready to go. I'm going to show you the pulse function first. Put that in there and twist. And you can see the suction feet are working really well. It's not moving around. For the pulse function, we just hold this down gently. Then of course we just push it. So did you see that little blue light that come on? So that will come on when you push it fully. And if you want to do pulse, as I showed before, you just push it gently. Just twist that. That was about 15 seconds and you could see how well it's grinded that. Now we are going to make a smoothie with frozen fruit and veg. We have some mangoes, some berries and spinach. Of course, we've got the milk here. We're going to start off with pulsing this first so we could break up the fruit and veg. Let's have a look now. So after pulsing it a few times, you could see this does need a bit more liquid before I could start blending it. So I'm going to add a bit more milk. Okay, I'm going to pulse it again. I think at first I was letting it go too quick when I was pulsing it. I should have given it at least 3 seconds, but I think I was doing 1.5. So now I have counted 3 seconds in my head twice, and now I'm going to blend it. It took just under 2 minutes in total. That's including the pulsing and the blending. And you could see it's a nice, thick smoothie. Okay, let's move on to fresh fruit now. Now we are making a smoothie with fresh fruit. I'm not going to bother pulsing it this time. It's been around 30 seconds. Under 30 seconds, completely smooth, no fruit bits. Now I could put the other if I want to keep it in the fridge, or the one with the spout on the go. If I'm going out, gym or whatever, you could use that. There you go, friends. That was the TENKER. I think it's a decent piece of kit. I like the size on it. It's nice and compact. It could fit in a kitchen that does not have enough room. I like the grinding function. That works really well. It's easy to clean. I'll link it in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.